Oh, hey, what's going on? This is Jeff. I am with SSH Drones. Today we're going to talk about audio. That's right. The new Rode Wireless Go 2 is here. It just recently has been released, and we have the original Wireless Go, and we are going to unbox, compare, and just talk about it. Let's dive right into it. Let's go. Okay, so essentially what we are doing right now is just pretty much just remove the box. I apologize, it's actually a little messy. Fur, it's pretty cute, whatever. So we do have the USB-C cable right here. And I really like those cables. Those cables like really good because I really like the way they charge on my phone. So the cables, the instruction manual, I always make sure that I read the instruction manual. I am just like that. So we have the SC cable and pretty much the pouch right here. So on the pouch, let's pretty much just take this off. We have the this is the transmitter and the receiver. All right, so off the bat, we're going to do real quick assembly. So what we're going to do right now is pretty much just take this out. So pretty much take this off, plastic off actually, and pretty much just look with the USB. So the transmitter and the receiver right here. So you can either put the fur windshield, so put it on the receiver right here, and what it does is it just makes sure that your sound is not too loud. So pretty much like that. And you pretty much connect this this SE cable into the receiver and into your device. Just to turn it on, pretty simple. One tap, one hold, and it's on. And of course it's dead. And same thing for the transmitter. One tap, one hold, and the blue just shows that it's on. So, and of course right here, as you guys can see, it is dead. So we definitely need to charge it in order to use it for the first time. Okay, right here I'm going to make it really fast, and I am going to remove all the items out of the box. As you guys can see, nothing fancy here, just removing the items. So once you take it out of the box, you're gonna have the USB-C cables right here. Another USB-C, the TRS SC cable, mic 1, mic 2, the receiver, 1, 2, 3 fur, the pouch, and the quick start guide. Previously on the 2 audio setup, you needed to buy another TRS splitter cable and another microphone. So you have the TRS splitter cable that will go into the receiver like that, and go into microphone 1. And this part of the cable will go into the DSLR camera. And you have pretty much microphone 2 right here, microphone 1, and this is how you can do a 2 audio setup, which is pretty much a mess. This is pretty much the new Wireless Go 2, where you have the receiver right here and 2 mics, and you definitely don't need this setup anymore, obviously. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. This was the unboxing of the Wireless Go 2, and as you can see, it's a lot less complex than the original Wireless Go. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to stay up to date with my new content, make sure you hit that notification bell. I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I'm signing off. Later, guys.
Perfect. Thank you. You about to get it.